Dr. Rico here. This is an introduction to my mini course, Robotic Planning and Kinematics. The syllabus link and notes are in the description. All right, so now we're on Chapter 2, Motion Planning via Decomposition and Search. With a little introduction, we will begin. So, in this chapter, we continue our investigation into motion planning problems. As motivation for our interest in planning problems, let us remind the reader that the ultimate goal in robotics is the design of autonomous robots. That is, the design of robots capable of executing high-level instructions without having to be programmed with extremely detailed commands. Moving from A to B is one such simple high-level instruction. In this chapter, we 1. Study techniques for decomposing the continuous robot workspace into convex regions. 2. Define roadmaps, which encode the decomposed workspace. And 3. Introduce graph algorithms for computing point-to-point paths in roadmaps. All right, I'll see you in the next section.